Maintaining your Takagi Tankless water heater is crucial for its efficiency and longevity. Today, we'll walk through the essential process of cleaning the air filter, which protects the combustion system from dust and debris. The air filter is a critical component that prevents dust and debris from entering the combustion system. Regular cleaning ensures optimal performance and prevents costly repairs. Step 1 is safety first. Before beginning any maintenance, you must turn off both the electrical power and gas supply to the unit. This is absolutely critical for your safety. Step 2 is accessing the filter. Remove the front cover of the water heater using a screwdriver. The air filter is typically located at the bottom of the unit beneath the front cover. Step 3 is inspecting the filter. Examine the air filter carefully for any signs of dust, dirt, or debris buildup. This will help you determine how thorough the cleaning needs to be. Step 4 is cleaning the filter. If the filter is washable, gently rinse it with mild detergent or soapy water. Use a soft brush if needed to remove stubborn particles. Rinse thoroughly to remove all soap residue. Step 5 is drying and reinstalling. Allow the filter to air dry completely before reinstalling it. This is crucial. Any moisture left in the filter can cause problems. Once dry, carefully slide it back into its compartment. Finally, restore power to the system. Reopen the gas shutoff valve and turn on the electrical power. Wait for the water heater to complete its startup sequence, then test by running hot water at a faucet to ensure everything is working properly. Now we'll cover the critical descaling process and ongoing maintenance for your Takagi Tankless water heater. Descaling removes mineral buildup that reduces efficiency over time. Safety is paramount. First, turn off the electrical power at the circuit breaker, shut off the gas supply, and allow the unit to cool completely before beginning any maintenance work. Next, isolate the water heater by closing both the cold water inlet and hot water outlet valves. Then connect hoses to the service ports at the bottom of the unit. Use 2.5 to 3 gallons of undiluted white vinegar. Circulate this through the system for 45 to 60 minutes using a submersible pump. Never use chemical descaling solutions as they can damage the unit. After circulation, flush the entire system with fresh water until all vinegar traces are completely removed. Clean the cold water inlet filter by rinsing it thoroughly, making sure the tab faces outward when reinstalling. To restore operation, close the service ports, disconnect hoses, and reopen the water valves. Turn on the gas supply, restore electrical power, and test the system by running hot water at a faucet. Perform routine maintenance at least once per year. Descaling frequency depends on your water hardness, every 12 months for normal water, but every 6 months if you have hard water with 7 or more grains per gallon. If you're uncomfortable with any of these maintenance steps, don't hesitate to contact a qualified plumber or HVAC technician. Professional service ensures safe procedures, protects your warranty, and maintains optimal system performance.